Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and when I'm bringing my daughter different places in her travel chair, something that's super convenient is having a cup holder, and I found that this was one of the best ones that I was able to add onto it. You can actually add this onto many different things. It has an amazing adjustable clasp on it. If you can see, you literally just twist the end of it. It's absolutely amazing. It can expand a lot, so it's going to go on different types of bars. You can put it on handles. I love the fact that you can choose different colors of this if you want, because my daughter loves pink. That's why I chose pink. This is amazing as well because on the inside, if you notice, you can put different sizes of water bottles, cans, cups, which is cool. These rubberized parts on it are going to keep it sturdy so that it's not going to be slipping out. It's going to have a really good grip. And I love the fact that you do have a spot for your phone, iPod, whatever little device that you want to put here. Whether you want to put a pen or a pencil or something that you're bringing with you, it is an extra spot, which I really, really love. It's just something that's super handy. It's got many uses, which I like, but that's just my point of view.